Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ConvertKit to LinkedIn for landing page conversions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your ConvertKit dashboard and log into your account. Navigate to the landing pages section. Choose the landing page you wish to connect to LinkedIn. Click on the settings tab for that landing page. Look for the integrations option in the settings menu. Select Add Integration to open the integration options. Find and click on the LinkedIn logo or option. You may be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize the connection. Return to your ConvertKit landing page settings. Make sure to fill in any required fields for LinkedIn integration. Decide on the specific action you want to take on LinkedIn, such as sharing a post or a link. Copy the URL of your landing page from ConvertKit. Now, head over to your LinkedIn profile or company page. Create a new post or article where you want to share your landing page. Paste the copied URL of your landing page into the post. Add an engaging caption that encourages your audience to visit the page. Customize any additional settings, such as visibility and scheduling. Once satisfied, click Post to share it on your LinkedIn. Monitor the engagement and conversions from your LinkedIn audience. Utilize LinkedIn Analytics to assess the performance over time. Make adjustments or updates to your landing page based on the feedback you receive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.